Welcome to Everyday Wanderings. I'm Willa. Do you seek out breathtaking views? Magnificent waterfalls? How about unusual geological formations? If your answer is yes, the Maokong region of Taipei offers all of the above in a half-day trip. Let's get started. What? Not taking the Maokong gondola? Nope. I'm making the 14-kilometer trip with roughly 300 meters of increase in elevation with my own 2 legs. This is where I started. See this sign? Turn left in 10 meters. Bear right. Okay, I'll stop. Oh look, a temple! This tunnel doesn't have a name. I call it the Google Map thinks pedestrians cannot enter tunnel. Why? It looks very walkable. Another temple. Oh, I love how peaceful it is. The gentle breeze and all this greenery. I just wish I wasn't so out of breath. Temple number, the only time I tried doing that, I ended up walking my bike for most of the ascent. Let's take a break here. Take the footpath across the road and proceed in the up direction for a slightly laborious number of steps. You have reached your first destination. Wow! You can see the other side of the city from here. Then I continued on my way. Aw, cute pandas and raccoons. But where are the indigenous species? Tea plant. Maokong, the tea garden of Taipei, is known for its Tieguanyin tea. I'm tired. Let's take a bus.
There are no buses, but where you're going next?
No! Okay, for real. This bus stop is right by the entrance to the waterfall trail, so go through the archway and follow the signs. Take a few steps on the trail, and you'll find yourself surrounded by pure tranquility. A short walk in the woods, past bamboo groves, and a softly gurgling creek leads to the start of seemingly unending steps. The steps soon turn treacherous and very, very slippery. Fellow wanderers, may I present to you the Yinhe Waterfall. Wait, where's the water? Come on, that's more like a trickle. To be fair, the fine weather this past week could have played a part in this. Last time I was here, it looked like this. When there's only a little water cascading over the walkway, you're treated to this incredible view. It was getting late, so I hurried back up all those stairs I came down earlier and proceeded onwards to the next and final stop of this trip. No, we're going this way. If you're hungry or thirsty, you can stop at one of these tea houses. I've lost count. The numerous temples around here probably means Maokong is a good location. So this is the Taipei Tea Promotion Center for Tieguanyin tea and Baozhong tea, which means the Potholes Trail is just a little bit further. Almost there! More stairs? Stairs are friends. Stairs are friends. Great view and downhill? What more could I ask for? It literally says, Potholes Suspension Bridge. Can't believe I'm beholding real potholes. Not those, these. Then I started making my way back to the city. Back to civilization. So, if you've overindulged in awesome Taiwanese food, I mean, who could blame you? And wanted to work off the calories with endless stairs, lots of uphill climbing, and try your luck with the waterfall? Then Maokong is the place to go. Hit the like button if you also saw the papaya and banana trees on this hike, and subscribe to see more videos about Taiwan. See you on my next Everyday Wondering.